Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So now, if Honda Civic cranks but doesn't start, it could be multiple things that can cause that now, guys. But we're going to explain some of the most common ones. We have two fuse boxes that we need to check. The first fuse box is actually inside the vehicle, guys, on the driver's side, under the dash. If you look upside down, you're going to see that fuse box that looks just like that, next to the OBD model. That's the dash, OBD port, excuse me, that's the dash, and that's the fuse box. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Right here now, the first fuse that we'll need to check for the fuel pump will be in that first row here. That will be fuses 1 through 13. The fuse that we'll need to check is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 20 amp fuse, guys, is for the fuel pump that you need to check right here. We have two more fuses that we need to check for the fuel pump and the fuel injectors, and if that still doesn't fix the problem, we'll explain what else it could be. We're going to open the hood, and under the hood you have a fuse box right here. If you open that cover, guys, you're going to see, okay, a fuse layout like that. This is the front of the Honda Civic, this is towards the back side. Now here, okay, let me explain which fuses we need to check here specifically. You need to check, guys, okay, two fuses, okay, in that fuse box, and we're talking about fuse number 7, which is 1, 2, 3, that fuse right here. You need to check fuse number 8, this fuse. One is for the fuel injectors, one is for the fuel pump. Another thing, guys, okay, if your Honda Civic cranks but doesn't start, we have a video that explains ignition coils fuse. You need to check that one, and ignition switch fuse, check them as well. That could be the problem for your Honda Civic. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.